and welcome back to our channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix the error performing query on Facebook. First of all, refresh the page. Start by refreshing the page to see if the error persists. Sometimes it could be a temporary glitch. After that, check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable and active internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause communication issue with Facebook servers. Try a different browser. Switch to a different web browser to see if the issue persists. It's possible that the problem is specific to the browser you are using. Clear your browser cache and cookies to remove any potentially corrupted or outdated data that could be causing the error. And check for updates. For that, open Play Store on your mobile device and search for Facebook and tap on it. If any update option is available, then you should tap on update option. Ensure that your browser and operating system are up to date. Sometimes outdated software can lead to compatibility issue. Temporary disable browser extension. Some browser extension can interfere with website functionality. Try disabling them and see if the error persists. After that, try different devices. Attempt to access Facebook from a different device to determine if the issue is specific to your current device. If none of the above steps work, consider reaching out to Facebook support for further assistance. You can do this through the Facebook Help Center or their official support channel. If the issue is on Facebook end, it might take some time for them to resolve it. Keep eye on their official channels for updates. That's it guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe the channel and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.